Hey guys, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. If you remember the other day, we did the mica stain spiderweb card. This is the one that I did in the middle of that, where I added just the stencil on top and just let it sit while we dried. We're going to turn this into a card today. So I'm going to use the Autumn Sunshine stamp set from Penny Black, and we are going to use the pumpkin, and then we will decide if we want to add a sentiment from something. Get our stamp set here. I just thought this would be fun. Let's see, we are going to heat emboss, so let me, before I get the stamp wheel out, let's go ahead and prep our surface so we can do our heat embossing. We could actually, if we wanted to, do the flowers. That would be fun, to make some spooky flowers. That could be fun. Put that on there. Alright, we're going to stamp this. Today we are going to use pigment ink to stamp this down because we are going to do white heat embossing. Because I am going to color some with my colored pencils. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp that one more time. Now, Penny Black just came out with their latest release, which is a fall release. And there are some cute things in it. This is not one of them. This is an older set. I had purchased this before the other release came out. That's what I'm okay with the splotchiness in some of it because we're going to go over some of it. We are going to wipe some of this away. Some of it's okay. So we are going for the spooky look. All right, we're going to let our heat embossing dry a little bit. All right, we're going to take these colored pencils. They were from Sketchbox. They came in their set. They're just a wax-based pencil. And I have used them, and I actually really enjoy them. So we're going to come in and add some more color. If I had my guess, I would say this is equivalent to the Color brand. Koullour. I've seen it online. I've not tried them, but they look very similar. That would just be my guess. So I'm just going to add a couple different colors in each one. We're just embracing the imperfection. Just letting the pencil, these are super creamy, I'm telling you. Like the pencil just glides. So they're definitely an oil-based pencil or wax-based pencil. I'm going to guess oil-based. They feel like a Prismacolor. Yeah, they feel definitely like Prismacolors, just not as breakable. Intensify a little bit of our background. All right, now I totally know this. Some of this is not for some of y'all, but it's super cute. All right, we're going to trim this panel down, and we're going to put it on card and then add a sentiment. I want to take this down. I think we're going to take it down to maybe 5 inches. So we have a nice little border. So we're going to do 5 by 3 3/4. And I'm liking this grungy look down here at the bottom, so I'm not going to take much off down there. I'm going to take a little bit more off my top. I've got my panel trimmed down. We'll get a mat and our card base. All right, we're going to double mat this. So I'm going to use the Sentiment Boo from the Ghost die set from scrapbook.com. This is paper from scrapbook.com. It's in the Harvest Smooth Cardstock 6 by 8 pack. Comes like that. And then I have a piece of holographic cardstock we're going to use as our shadow. And we're going to cut the rest of our sentiment out of this. So we're going to cut this down. I want this to be the outermost layer, so I'm going to cut this down to 5 1/4. By 4. This piece I'm going to cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then I've just got a thick white card base. That's just standard A2 size. So we're going to layer this onto our panel here. Alright, I'm going to cut out our boo and our shadow die. I'm going to cut the boo out from our black cardstock and the shadow from the holographic, just to be different. So I actually don't need all this. So we're going to cut that off. We're going to take our boo from the center of our die, or of our mat. That way nobody will know. I'm going to go ahead and attach my boo to the shadow layer. I'm just going to use very little liquid glue for that. And if you ever get too much liquid glue on your die cut, you can easily take and just pop it on to another piece of cardstock that you're going to hide and get rid of some of it. Alright, so there's that. We're going to attach these together. We just have that nice little bit of a border of the two colors. I thought it would be pretty. Alright, we're going to attach this to our card base, and nobody will ever know that we cut that sentiment out. Just you and I. Make sure we got that going the right way. Alright, we're going to take some of our leftover pieces, and I'm going to attach the inside of my card. That way we have a little coordination going on the inside. Now we can attach our sentiment on the outside and add a little bit of embellishing. Boop. I think we're just going to leave it alone. I don't think we need to add any embellishments. I think the texture is fun enough. All right, that's it for me. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. Love you.